Hello guys, in this video you are going to see welded furniture projects you can make for your home. This video will show you how to make original welded furniture projects for your home without having to break the bank. Whether you are just starting out welding or have been practicing for years, there are projects here for everyone. Find out how you can weld metal furniture projects with some great ideas you will find in this video and in the other videos on this channel. DIY crafting hub. So I would suggest some great ideas here. One of these are occasional tables, nested cube. Who couldn't find a good use for this set of nesting cube tables with clean lines and the option of using them individually or as a set? These designs are winners. You will find the step-by-step instructions here in the other videos you can see on this channel to create these projects over a weekend. Pedal stands, simple industrial sofa tables and other furniture ideas. With these versatile designs you have many options. The top can be anything from a piece of wood to a unique slab of granite or marble. The look will change depending on what you choose for a top. You will get some help putting together with these in-depth plans. If you love to look of industrial furniture, then you will appreciate the easy sofa table ideas with simple lines. It is great project for beginners wanting to learn how to weld and get started making their own furniture. The combination of live edge woods and metal is a truly distinct look. A basic design, yet it has so much character. The base is pretty plain, but when you add the wood to it, the piece really stands out. As you can see, there is a sea table, shelf sofa table, infinity end table, industrial farmhouse end tables, beside tables ideas. I love pieces that are multifunctional. Besides being a nice place to set a cup of coffee, this beside table also has a second shelf for books and magazines. It has an optional built-in light. One may not be enough, better plan on making two. So you can see other amazing ideas in the videos on this channel. Please do subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.